drop some.
Whoops. Okay, so we are gonna do the cinnamon challenge really fast. So we got ground cinnamon, and we got little spoons. Well, you know.
We have water and smoothie.
Smooth, yes. Copy. Ready? Go. Alright, okay, well.
That's sick. Oh.
Okay, well, I guess we're done.
Yeah.
Alright, bye. Worst thing we've ever done.
I know.